Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to block an email address in Gmail. Friends, due to any reason if you want to block a email address in your Gmail account, then you simply need to open your Gmail app. In your Gmail app, now suppose if you want to block an email address, then you simply need to open the email received from that email. Now suppose I want to block this email address from which I had received this email. So to do so, I simply need to press on these three dots and here I need to select block. Now as you can see, it has blocked the email address from which we had received this email. So friends, like this you can very easily block an email address in Gmail. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.